What's up, you guys? Marty here with GuitarJams.com. Want to help the beginner, intermediate blues guitar player, come up with a couple of concepts to put a solo together. One of my students was asking me about some tips on that. And so what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do an acoustic blues kind of thing. And I know there's some fans out there of that. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the E blues scale, the open E blues scale. And what I want to do is I want to show you one concept, which is, I've talked about it before, practicing your blues scale up and down in triplets. And then also I want to give 3 lick ideas and then show you with 3 simple licks and being proficient with practicing the scale up and down in triplets. Just between 3 licks and that concept, you should be able to actually really improvise a few different kinds of solos. So it's just a concept I want you guys to work on. So the first thing I want to do is just explain that running the scale up and down in triplets. So first, the scale looks like this. It's 0, which is the root of the scale. Then ring finger, really pay attention to the right fingers too, is going to be the 3rd fret. Then we're going to go 0, 1, 2 on the A string. So 0, 3, 0, 1, 2. And then you want to practice it backwards. Alright? So then we have 0, 2 on the D string. So we have 0, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 2. Now here's the one that, it's not tricky, but I really want you to pay attention to this G string right here. 0, then middle finger on the 2nd fret, then ring finger on the 3rd fret. That's the blues note, which only sounds good in passing, like never. Okay, so far we have 0, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, and then here we go on this one, just 0, 3, 0, 3. That's the open E blues scale. Now when you play it in triplets, one thing, if you can alternate your picking, go super slow when you practice it. But if you can alternate every note with alternate picking, it's going to help you immensely. But the first thing I want you to focus on is hearing in your head that scale in triplets. And what that means is if I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? If I'm doing that, I want 3 notes per beat, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Triple, 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 triple. And it sounds like this. Triple, 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 triple. As opposed to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. It's triple, 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 triple. It has a great momentum to it. And it's really great if, like I said, we're going to put 3 licks together and we're going to use that triplet to climb into the lick and climb out of the lick. And it's a great, amazing way to extend licks out, to really sound like you're doing something without, I know a lot of beginner students are like, they feel like it's a magic trick. And in some ways it is, because when you see a magic trick, you just see the whole illusion there. But in reality, there's a whole process, step-by-step process to put that whole illusion together. Anyway, I don't know if that's a good analogy or not. But so here is our first lick. Open G string, then middle finger on the 2nd fret. Then the finger lifts and we go to the 3rd fret. We haven't picked it and we haven't heard the note yet. We're going to pick it after our finger's on the 3rd fret and we're going to slide it to the 2nd. Watch. By the way, way, all these concepts are in my blues domination package, which you can see in the window there. Okay, that's lick number 1. See that? I just climbed up triplets into the lick. Now check this out. And then right from there, from that note, I could go triplets up to it, or I could do it, extend it down. See that? Sounded like a little bit of a solo there with a lick and then that triplet concept, okay? So we have that one lick. Here's the next lick that I want to show you. We're going to use our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the high E. And we're going to hit it 3 times. Now you can see I'm kind of nudging it a little bit. It gives it a little character, but I'm not bending it out of tune. Like, it's not that, it's just a... Alright, so we're gonna go bum, 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 open, bum, 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 open. Okay, that's lick number 2. Lick number 1. Lick number 2. So watch, if I have that triplet concept and those 2 licks, this is where improvising comes in. You can improvise when you're doing what? So watch, I'll climb up the triplets all the way into that lick. And I had to, you know, kind of feel the rhythm of it. That's the improvising. I kind of stayed on that note a little extra to have it feel even to me. Watch if I do that lick and I climb down that triplet. I had the lick number 1 in there too. Alright, I'm going to show you one more lick. We're going to do kind of the same thing we did on the high E, but now on the B string. And we're going to use our ring finger and we're going to give it a little nudge on that 3rd fret of the B string. And we're just bend it a little bit and then hit the high E string open. Check it out. Just like that. Now watch in combination. I went right into the other one, right? See that? 3 licks with the triplet concept. You can do all kinds of different combinations. It takes a little, you know, it takes a little work, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to have another video. It'll be right after this. It'll be just a jam track for you in the open E blues so you can practice this concept, which I think will really help. And also, the blues domination package I have has a progressive manner of lessons. It'll take you all the way from the very beginning to advanced soloing. So let's just recap the concept one more time. Triplets with the blues scale. Triple-a, 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 triple-a. That. Lick number 1. See that when you repeat a lick too is a huge part of soloing, is repeating an idea, a motif. So here's lick number 2. Lick number 3. GuitarJams.com. We'll see you real soon.